Good morning, students. Today I am going to discuss the motion of a charged particle in a uniform electric field. Here I have made a diagram in which two parallel plates are placed at some distance which have opposite charges. The electric field between these two plates is uniform. Uh, let the upper plate is negatively charged while the lower plate is positively charged. Then the electric field will be directed as from positive to negative plate. The coordinate axes are OX and OY. Let a positive charge plus Q along the x-axis enters in the electric field with velocity v. The field is along the y direction, so there is no force acts on the charge along x-axis, but it experiences a force along y-axis, which is given by F is equals to QE. Now the acceleration of this charged particle due to this force F is equals to QE will be A is equals to F upon M or QE upon M. This can be written as equation number 1, where M is the mass of this charge. The force is directed towards negative plate, so the particle is deflected from its original path. Now we are considering the motion of charged particle along x-axis and y-axis separately. Then along the x-axis, the charged particle continues to move with velocity v because there is no acceleration in this direction. So the distance traveled by this charged particle in t second along the x-axis is given by x is equals to vt. The initial velocity of charged particle along the y direction is 0, but along this direction this charged particle has acceleration, so the velocity of charged particle continues to increase along y-axis. So the distance traveled in y direction by this charged particle will be given by y is equals to half a t square. This is because along the y direction its initial velocity is 0. Now substituting the value of a from equation number 1 here, then y is equals to half QE upon M into t square. This can be written as equation number 3. Now substituting the value of t from equation number 2 to equation number 3, we will get y is equals to half QE upon M and t is equals to x upon v, so x upon v whole square, or y is equals to QE upon 2mv square into x square. This equation is the form of this equation and it represents a parabola. This equation or this represents a parabola. So the trajectory or the path of a charged particle in an electric field is parabolic.